any more of that, no. No. Oh, just a minute. There you go. That's all you get. That's all Mara gets. What does that mean? Oof! You blowing? You blowing your candle out? Huh? Are you ready to blow your candle? Blow. Blow. Show Grandpa how you blow. Say. Say, hi Grandpa. Show him how you blow. I can't do it.
Well, you ought to see the look she's giving me.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, what is this thing, huh?
Just a little bit too high, huh? Oh, she knows how to do it now. She said, I throw the pillow on the floor, then I step on it. You're going to get it one way or another. Well, I'll bet that's just what you're going to do. You're no dummy. Watch her. Oh, there she goes. Change her mind. She's just going to throw the pillows all down. Whoa!
Hey, where'd you go, Mara?
Mara, come back here. Hey, come here, Mara.
Ooh, battery's getting low.
Oh, is it? Uh-oh. Oh, I see a blinking, yeah. Let's see, Grandma.
What's the matter? Hmm?
Come here, Mara. What's the matter? No.
Oh, Mara, Mara, Mara.
No. No, you can't do that.
I think she's tired. She's
Yeah, I
tired.
guess maybe you want the rest of your milk, huh? You want the rest of your milk? Huh? Well, here we go. Is this what you want? Okay, we'll go sit down and give me your bottle. Oh.
I know one thing. When you take a picture with the light in the background, it just kills the picture.
Oh.
It's real dark.
There you go, darling. We have to hold it up a little bit further here.
Ooh.
Okay. Here we go.
Forgot where the fade thing is.
You quit fooling around. Either you want it or you don't now. Okay. Goodbye then. She's rejuvenated.
Give me a break here. Get away from me.
Hey, Mara.